Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
A private network routes your traffic through an encrypted VPN server for privacy. This protects data from local snooping and insecure hotspots. Choose a provider with AES 256 encryption, a no-logs policy, and multi-hop options for extra anonymity. Create an account using a unique email and a strong password with 12 or more characters. Enable 2FA on your provider account to prevent unauthorized access. Install the provider app on each. Connect to a nearby VPN server for better speed and lower latency. Select a server in the country that meets your geo-access needs. Enable a kill switch and DNS leak protection in the app settings to prevent accidental exposure. Use split tunneling to send only selected apps through the private network and keep others on local routes. Regularly update the VPN app and your device operating system to receive security patches and protocol improvements. Test for leaks using a browser-based DNS, IPv6, and WebRTC leak checker after connecting. If you detect leaks, enable DNS protection and disable IPv6 in system settings. If speeds are slow, switch servers or change protocols, for example WireGuard or OpenVPN, to improve throughput. Revoke unused app permissions and uninstall old clients to reduce attack surface. Rotate account passwords every 90 days and keep backups of critical configs in encrypted storage for emergency restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.